back to my channel. Today we are gonna do something really fun, and it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. We're gonna be incorporating some pearls on the face and a little bit of glitter and some abstract line work. And if you want to see me get glam and avant-garde, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime with the Farsali Skin Tune Blur. Now I'm going to take some Too Faced Born This Way foundation and we're going to beat this mug. For the under eyes, I'm going to take some of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Wear. Now I'm going to set the face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder. I really like the pressed powders because I feel like they just sit really nicely on the skin. Now I'm gonna do some bronzing with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I wanna keep this really angular and really blended. So we're gonna kind of come a little bit lower, like right in here, and really carve out that cheek. Now I'm gonna take this Tarte blush in the shade Vibrant, and we're gonna kind of go back over where we bronzed. Now I'm gonna take some Ofra All of the Lights, and I'm gonna go with this lighter yellow tone shade and a little bit of the pink. Now I'm gonna take some white concealer and I'll pop in a reference photo for what I'm trying to do. But this was done by Rocio, and I really liked just the abstract kind of wispy shape, so we're gonna try to follow that. Now I'm going to take some white eyeshadow from the James palette and set this. Now I'm going to take some of the Stila Diamond Dust shadow and I'm going to kind of put that in here too. Now while that's still fairly wet, I'm going to kind of go back over that with a little bit of holographic glitter. And then anywhere that it kind of went outside the lines, I'm going to try to brush it away. Now we're gonna have a little fun with these pearls, and I'm gonna do some little clusters on the face. Now I'm gonna try to do something kind of like Rocio's rainbow mustache. So we're gonna start with red. And we're gonna pick up some orange, and then some yellow. And we're gonna pick up some green. And we're gonna take some blue, and then I'm gonna take some purple. We're gonna do that down here. And then I'm just gonna top them off with a clear gloss from NYX. Now, really quickly, I'm gonna do my mascara and some lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I know this is kind of crazy, but I really wanted to play with makeup. I hope you enjoyed and just had fun watching me do something crazy. If you liked this and if you liked me, don't forget to leave me a little thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.